So this video is just a quick walkthrough of how to install R using your terminal and using Homebrew. I already have Homebrew installed, so if there's any question about that, check out the link below. I'm also showing the Finder window so that you can see where everything is stored if you're not familiar. So the command is simple if you're using one of the newer operating systems, Sierra or High Sierra. It's just brew install R, and then R installs along with all of the supporting packages that you need. And I've read some various comments online that this may or may not be the best practice within the R user community. However, I'm going to try this for myself just to see what happens. And also because I've used the same method to install Python 3. And I like the idea of coding directly in the terminal and not using, basically help. I kind of want to learn it the hard way and then use, PyCharm or RStudio. Well, anyway, it takes a minute and then it installs everything. And the last thing you want to do, and maybe you want to do this before, but I had just done it, is run the script brew doctor just to check that there's nothing screwy happening. That's it. So I'm going to work through a tutorial in the next video.